everybody, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. At kumusta? Ito ako ay magmamaniho ako ngayon papunta ng work kasi nga um, 2:35 na ng hapon, tapos ang trabaho ko 3 in the afternoon. Pag mag-train ako, late ako ng mga 1 oras siguro. Malilate talaga ako ng 1 oras. Tapos tawag nito, kailan ko talagang pumasok ngayon kasi nga hindi ako nakapagsabi ng magko-call in sick ako or something na may emergency, ganyan. Tapos sana kagabi tumawag na ako sa work, kaso nga lang pagdating ko kagabi sa bahay, parang akong pagod na pagod. Tapos kinausap ko yung kapatid ko, and then alauna na ng madaling araw saka ako bumalik nang matutulog na ako. Tapos sabi ko, bakit parang umiikot paningin ko, umiikot para akong lasing kagabi, umiikot yung paligid ko. Tapos ayun, dali-dali naman akong naligo, kumain, naligo, tapos natulog ako, ganyan. Pag lapat ng katawan ko sa bed, ganyan. Oh my God, umiikot talaga yung paningin ko, guys, as in yung wall parang gumaganyan talaga, umiikot. Tapos ang bigat ng ulo ko, sobrang bigat ng ulo ko. Kasi sabi ko, naku, baka anemic na ako. Kasi nga gaya nga nasabi ko, wala talaga akong proper na tulog lately. Kumbaga 2 hours, 3 hours lang everyday since last week. Tapos pagkatapos ng aking back to back na schedule, ayun, napagod ako, guys. Sobrang pagod ko. Hindi ako napagod na as in pagod na pagod yung katawan. Yung parang siguro matanda na tayo, tumatanda na, hindi na talaga kayang ganun yung klaseng work, no? Ganun. Kasi nasanay kasi ako na mag-work ng 16 hours in a day, every day. Tapos pag day off ko naman ay naglo-long drive kami. Kaya wala akong I'm very energetic when I was young, no? Napaka ko yung sport minded. Tapos lakwat siya dito, hiking doon. Kasi napaka energetic ko talaga noon. And then during COVID days, medyo naglaylo gawa nito, may COVID. Tapos hindi na rin nagka-hiking, tapos bigla akong tumaba. Ayan. Tapos namatayan din ako, na depressed, na ganyan. Tapos talagang ang laki ng pinagbago ng aking routine for how many years. Nagbago yung routine ko. Tapos ngayon, bumalik ako sa yung schedule ko na ganyan, na bumalik yung schedule ko. Tapos ayun na nga, hindi nanibago yung aking katawan, no. Nanibago, parang hindi na kaya, tumatanda ng talaga, kaya siguro mahirap nang i-balance. Ayan. Pero naman, food conscious pa rin naman ako kahit na tumataba ako. Food conscious. Kunting rice, kahit na hindi kami magkita ng rice, ng kanin ng 2 buwan, ay okay lang sa akin. Kahit hindi kami kita ng rice, okay lang sa akin. Gulay, kanyan, gulay. Puro mga gulay. Yan. O hindi gulay. Ulam, prutas. Pero ang mali lang kasi sa akin, guys, matakaw ako sa ice cream. At hindi ako umiinom ng tubig talaga. Yun ang mali sa akin, ako umiinom ng tubig. Iniinom ko yung mga soft drinks. Kung iinom man ako, yung may tea, may gatas, or kape, or something na may lasa. Ayan. Pero bawal yun, huwag yung kayahin. Lang kasi yun sa akin, kasi parang hindi talaga ako nag-i-enjoy uminom ng tubig. Ayan, hindi ako nag-i-enjoy umiinom ng tubig. Parang sumasakit yung lalamunan ko. alam mo yun, sumasakit yung lalamunan mo, tapos, ganun lang. Pero alam nyo, mali talaga yan, mali. Maling mali. Mali. Sana makaabot pa ako doon sa green light na yan. Mabot tayo sa green light kasi nga, pag nasa harapan ko kasi ang bus, kailangan kong lagpasan yung bus. Gawa ng, pag mayroong bababa dito sa may stoplight ng bus, yung bus na yan ay mabagal. Yan, unahan natin yung bus. Kasi liliko yan dito. Pag lumiko yan dito, matagal siyang lumiko. Mga it takes time na lumiko. Ngayon, matraffic dun sa harapan natin. Kaya kailangan natin siyang unahan. Pag hindi natin unahan yung bus, yung mauna sa atin. Tapos, alam may mga ano yung bus meron silang sinusunod na limit. Tapos pag sinunod nila yung limit na yan, ako, lalo akong malilate. 15 minutes na lang pala mali. Sana hindi ako malate ng as in malate kasi tumawag ako doon sa sa manager, supervisor. Sabi ko na malilate ako ng 30 minutes. Gawa ng ayun na nga, ako ay tinamad bumangon. Gawa ng nahilo ako. Tapos bumangon naman ako kanina, nakapag-YT pa nga ako, nakapag-comments ako ng mga videos. Kaso, kunti-kunti lang, kaya di pa tuloy natapos lahat na na i-comment. Pero tapos na yung panoodin. Yun nga lang ay naglaylo muna tayo ng pagko-comments. Pero alam ko, lahat na panood na yun. Dati yun 216 videos ang natira. Ngayon, mga 184 na lang siguro. Konting-kunti na lang at magla-live ulit tayo, magpa-premiere ulit tayo at babalikan ko yung mga nag-comments doon. Yung iba hindi ko pa na na tignan. Pero ang ko, pag once na nakita nyong may like na yung comments ninyo doon, ibig sabihin na panood ko na kayo. Panood ko na, nasa playlist na. Yan. Pag meron ng like, meron ng comments, yan. At dahan-dahan tayo sa pagwa-YT. Ako pala, kasi ako'y pagod na din. Yung parang, ang katuwaan ko kasi, pag ako'y napagod sa routine ko, sa work ko, o kaya nababagot sa school na binabasa trainings ngayon, may mga trainings kami ganyan, nababagot ako, nagwa-YT ako, diba? Marami naman mga option para mawala yung pagka-boring. Ayan. Minsan nagwa-YT ako and then I'm playing my games, like I play online Scrabbles. Ayan. And then I have a real gamers in there. So I played Scrabbles, just wala lang. Pampaubos ng oras. And then I also played Candy Crush, Krusty, Candy Crush, and sometimes I do play Heydays, diba? Yun, mga Heydays na yun, matagal ko nang nilalaro yun, and until now, I'm still playing it. It's because I found it very interesting, lalo na yung magtatanim ka, magbibinta ka, and then sometimes I wonder, how about if this is a real farm? Can I manage like this, that I have to feed my cows, my animals, and then I have to do my farming, o diba? And then go for your own market. And then while you're marketing, you're also doing your products and then selling it. And then pag maraming orders, you have to, ganyan pala yung yung Heydays. It's like a business, no, na paano mo i-budget yung money mo to build a new building, and then to buy orders from the other marketing, like that, and then how to sell it, high and up, o diba? I like playing Heydays. And yeah, it's really nice to play farm Heydays. I just don't play the Farmville. Never had a chance to play with that. And also I played my Snakeo. Snakeo. Guys, I'm not tired today, okay? The last time while I'm driving home, it's because I work in morning and I work night before that, and then I work morning and then I work night, and honestly I just have 4 hours sleep in between, and I need to drive. Although sometimes I don't drive, I'll just go for a train. But that day I needed to drive. It's because I'm gonna work night. I'll be home in the morning and I will be back in the evening. So I have to go home early as possible. And then while I'm driving, I'm too sleepy. I'm sleepy. But yeah, I'm good with that. Even though I'm sleepy, guys, I'm still good with that. I can handle my sleeping beauty. I can handle my head. Ayan. Yun lang ay dati nga what I said as what I said before, that after my work for 16 hours like that, and the day after mag-aano kami, maglulong drive, and then I'm the driver, and I'm going to drive like 7 hours or 6 hours non-stop. Yun na, non-stop. The only thing we can stop is when we see a goose or some goose, not goose, na what kaluluwa. It's like an animals like deer, moose, I was like, oh my god, there's an emergency on ahead of me. My goodness, it's traffic jam. And that's it. At meron kaming yun, may makikita kang mga bears ganyan sa tabi-tabi. That's the only thing we could stop. And then if not, I can drive 7 hours, 6 hours to 7 hours straight from here to that 7 hours is like Waterton, like that. And sometimes we drove to I know, guys, you don't know all the places, but you can. I know some of you are familiar to Vancouver, British Columbia, and that's all famous places here. And I think the the one travel, the one drive that it's long for me is 3 days. But of course, I have to stop and stop and stop. Come on, yung sasakyan sa harapan natin talaga naman, oo. Dahan-dahan siyang pumapasok. Guys, late na ako. Late na talaga ako. Pero okay lang kasi yung katabi kong driver ay pogi. Na nawala na naman ako. Guys, yeah, that's it. That's all my story. Now, today I don't want to sing. It's sad to say I'm not singing today because my voice is really not good. I'm I'm tired today. I just want to say, like, I can say, or I can talk to my manager not showing up today, that I'm I'm sick, or I'm going to call on sick or something like that. But no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. It's because if I'm going to say I am sick, then my supervisor will ask me to do my what's that, swab test. It's because we have lots of COVID now in our facility. So I'm not going to say that I'm sick. I'm not sick though. I just feel dizziness last night and spinning, my head spinning. I'm just thinking that my blood pressure is really low last night. It's really low, but I managed to take my medicine, and I just prayed, and then I listened to God's words and music. So I open the videos of Sure Glue, and the one thing that I like is Toots of Ideas. I don't know where she is now, but I really like her videos. So that helps me. That helps my mind and soul be at peace. So I sleep. I sleep anyway. I sleep like from, well, let's say it's 1 o'clock, one, and then I woke up eight in the morning. So I have 8 hours sleep, and then I took another medication and I sleep again. I sleep again, and now I'm good. I'm good. I'm really good now. It's really good. It's I don't want to entertain sickness anymore. Honestly, I'm tired of it. My body is aching. Tired of thinking that I'm sick. Actually, I'm not sick. Just saying. Just getting older. I'm getting older. You know what, guys? I realized that I am not 45. Oh my god. I thought I am 45. And then my sister was saying, happy 44th birthday. And I was telling her, why I'm 44? I'm 45, I told her. And then she told me, no, you're 44 because I'm 45. This one. And then I was like, okay. And then I took my birth certificate, and then and I 2023 minus 1979 is 44. My god. Oh my god. Am I right? Is it right? 2023 minus 1979 is 44. Um, I'm not really good. I'm not really good on what's this doing my math, so I'm not sure. Okay. Mm, but you know what? It's 45, right? 2023, 1979. So first, 13. So 13, 3. Get the other one, so 13. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh yeah, 13 minus 9 is 4. And then because the other one is already like 2 is just 1. Get the other one in there, so 11. 11 minus 4, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, I'm really 44. Oh, yes, but anyway, I feel like I'm 44. I feel like I'm 44 because my partner is 50. I am, he was 6 years older. If he's still alive, he's 50 years old, and I'm 44. It's sad, but that's fine. Kala ko talaga 45 na ako. My goodness. Pero, what's the difference of 44 and 45? There's none, right? There's no big deal. Anyway, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Tan, tan, tan. Yung buhok ko, guys, pag basa pa siya, ganitong ginagawa ko para maano siya. Mamaya, pagdating ng work, pag tuyo na siya, pwede ko na siyang i-braid. Ayan. Pero guys, alam nyo guys, kanina doon, ang pogi ng driver. Ngayon naman, nakita hata ko sa salamin. Pogi yung driver sa likuran. Ayan, kitang-kita ko siya sa aking, ayan. Huwag ka nang tumingin doon kasi parang, alam niyo, tinitignan ko siya. Alam niyo guys, mahilig ako sa pogi talaga. Mahilig talaga ako sa pogi, pero ayoko silang makausap. Yun lang yun. Ay, ang ganda dito, oh. Yellow na yellow yung sa mga ano, mga kahoy. Pero dito naman ay wala nang mga dahon. Patay na. Pero guys, na-open ko naman yung ano, yung aking dashcam. So, kita-kita ko to. ang kahoy na ito. Sana makita nga. Sandali. Kasi may magbre-break. May magpa-park. Park ka muna, dali. Kasi wala akong space. Tama na. Stop ka na dyan. Yan. Good. You're good. You're good. Tingnan natin kung pogi. Pogi nga. Ay. Yan lang yung kalingawan na ako, eh. Pero sa tinood lang, guys. Mas pogi ang ako ang papa. Joke. Pogi ang papa ko, ya. Ang papa ko, pogi yung papa ko. Pero actually sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga nakita nang buong buo ang mukha ng tatay ko. I mean, hindi ko kabisado yung mukha ng tatay ko kasi nga namatay siya ng 4 years old pa lang ako. Kaya I don't know. Lumaki kami sa lolo. Kaya yung ugali ko parang matanda. Kasi yung lolo ko ay yung aking tatay. Ginawa kong tatay yung lolo ko, tagabantay ko. Yan, habang si mama ko ay nagtatrabaho. Mama. Yan, malapit na tayo sa work, guys. My God. 2 minutes in a row. Sasabihin ko sa supervisor ko, I'm not late. I'm here. Come on, green light. Guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. Nakimarites kayo sa buhay ko. At may exam tayo next time. Ay. Pag-ibig. Takbo kayo, takbo. Saan ito? Bakit sabay mo? Ano yun siya? Wala lang. Hindi ko na magkwento. Kwento na nakaraan. Treng. Ayan, ang ganda ng ano dito, oh. Mamaya dito na tayo kasi yan. Takbo tayo sa work. Guys, tapos na ako. Bye-bye. Love you all. Mega love shoutout. Hindi pala ako naka-shoutout. Bye. Love you all. Doon na ako magbibihis sa loob. Sandali. Sasabihin ko sa akin, ang uniform ko andito na. Tapos yung jacket ko andyan. Tapos ito. Hindi na ako mag-jacket, guys. Bye. Love